What's up, YouTube? It's your boy JS392 back with another video. Today we're going to be installing the interior lighting on the Dodge Scat Pack Wide Body 2021. Basically since 2015, the interior's pretty much been unchanged. So there has been, quite a bit of options in terms of interior lighting because these cars don't come with like ambient lighting, unlike the other competitors. Ford and Chevy, who have options for their muscle cars like the Mustang, the Camaro, and the Corvette. They have ambient lighting options. Chevy actually is pretty much beating everybody in terms of like American muscle when it comes to the interiors and interior ambient lighting.
As you can see here, the Camaro's interior has a lot of options in terms of interior lighting, colors, and things like that. They also have heads-up display options if you're into that as well.
So a lot of companies have developed like this little trick to kind of add it to pretty much any vehicle, and so I decided to go with the common option, which is the fiber optic wiring, where you put it in the crevices of the dashboard and wherever you want to put it, and you kind of light it up and connect it. And the one I got has an app because it has multiple colors. It allows you to switch them up or do some kind of like mood thing. It has a whole bunch of options, kind of like your standard car ambient lighting. So let's get to it. Right, so I just want to touch up on what we're going to be doing. So basically you see the crevices here and here. These are places where you can slip in the wiring to hold it in place. Obviously during the day it's not going to look too great, but at the same time it's not that bad. You'll get used to it. But at nighttime, that's where this whole thing really shines. I'm thinking about putting it here, down here. All right, so here we have the kit that came from Amazon. It's your common standard kit. It doesn't even really have a name brand. It's from China, so you know how legit China is. So this is basically to help you put it in the crevices, to squeeze it in there. Here we have the connector cables. So this is basically where you're going to be getting your light from. Some LEDs in there, and they're multicolored, and that's how you're going to get your colors in. So being that you have multiple connections, you can have multiple spots in order to basically do your interior the way you like it. And then here's like basically the cheapest part, which is the plug. But as long as it gets the job done, I guess that's all that matters. All right, and then here we have our cables. So if you look at the top, you have a cable that goes in, as you can see. It sticks in, and then you run the fiber optic cable in through the piping. And in the bottom we have the actual cable in which the light gets reflected through. And that's pretty much how this works. Got some instructions right here. I don't know if you want to sit and pause and look at them, and it's pretty simple. The best thing to do is watch other YouTubers and watch their tutorial videos on how to install it. So let's get cracking. All right, everyone, that's a wrap. As you can see, it completely changed the dynamic of my interior, and it looks clean, and I'm really happy with it. I do plan on getting another kit to add some more spots that I notice along the car that I can definitely put to make it even more lively in here. And the next thing I'm gonna do is also get some footwell lighting to kind of like help set the ambiance, of course. But yeah, it's a start and it looks great. Let me know if you guys think it looks good or if I should have done something different. And of course, hit that like button if you want to subscribe. It is what it is. I'm doing this just to have some fun with it, and if the channel grows, then do better.